That was a quick one. First ranked match of the night. Ah, fuck. I'm doing it on Omega. Back with the ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see my videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video. Want to see the deck list? See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the rings. Round 1. Dude! What the heck is this? FAMILLIAR-POSSESSED. To your opponent. Cursed outline. Activate effect. Pay 800. I'm gonna add Eldritch. I think I'll pop one of these. Eldritch. I'll get rid of the cursed outline. Or this one. No. Pop that one. Oh, fuck off. Mystic Mine? No. For fuck's sakes. Zombie world. Normal summon Unizombie. Activate. I'll do this one here. Target a monster. Increase its level by 1. And send a zombie monster from my deck to the graveyard. Which is Glow Up Bloom. Glow Up Bloom hits the grave, I could activate its effect to banish, to add a level 5 or higher zombie monster from my deck to my hand, or if zombie world's on the field, I can special summon that from the deck. God damn it. Cosmic Cyclone. Fuck. Damn it, damn it, damn it. That's okay. I need him in the grave. I need him in the grave. Gotta put him in the grave. Eldritch. Send to the graveyard, cursed outline. Oh, I should have just left him. Stupid. Oh, he's coming back anyways with this. To the graveyard. I'll let the Golden Lord attack Familiar-Possessed Lina. Oh, okay. Zombie attack Ran Ryu. Okay. And there's 2. Set. Tunando. Quero banish. Let's get another Scarlet. Whatever. Pretty slow, come on. Wow. Dude, let me set my card. Come on. End my turn. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Oh, I forgot to go like this. I don't know. Oh, voice chat was on actually. That's cool. Hello, can you hear me? What? Okay. Zombie world. Normal summon. Glow up bloom. And I will tribute to Link summon Link Karibo. Glow up bloom's effect. It's sent to the graveyard, I can banish it to Cosmic Cyclone. Son of a... To add a zombie, level 5 or higher. It's gonna be Golden Lord now. Is that Cosmic Cyclone? I would have to get rid of all of them. Wow. Yeah. Oh man. Eldritch effect. Another cosmic cyclone. Ooh, I could just actually go like this. Too sad. Luckily, I didn't do the other one. I would not be able to do that. Okay. Eldritch from Graves and add and special. Games at 1000. Okay. The battle. And then Karibo direct attack. And then Eldritch direct attack. Ooh. Oh, it turns like, what is that? Color is that? It's almost like a bluish green. And that's it. Set a card. Can I get an end phase effect? Yep. Get an end phase effect. Elixir of Scarlet Sanguine. What is this, nigga? I think that's worthy of the Conquistador of the Golden Land. Activate. In defense. And since there's an Eldritch, I get to destroy one face-up card on the field, which is going to be the field spell. Grand Spiritual Art. Eachering. Damn it! Well, it's going to Cosmic it, so might as well activate. Necromancy. Troll and Lockbird. Oh no! Finish yourself. Yep. You must die with honor. Azuyuel. GG. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Where was we? Oh, we're almost there. I only went up by 1 or by 10. Let's check it out here. 1271, 1281, and we're at 114. Still at 114. Comment, share, like if you sub before I did. See you guys.